Today we will do legal dictation exercise number 13. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. The girl had expressed a marked reluctance to stay with her father. The High Court was of the opinion that the children developed long-standing affection towards their maternal grandfather, aunt, and uncle. It will take a while before they develop the affection towards their stepmother. The sex of the minor girl who would face the difficulties of attaining adolescence is an important consideration, though not a conclusive one. She will benefit from the guidance of her maternal aunt if custody is given to the respondent, which the appellant will be in no position to provide. Further, a special bonding between the children, and it is desirable that they, together with their maternal grandfather, uncle, and aunt, in case of custody of the minor children, the family law, that is, Mohammedan law, would apply in place of the Act. Considering provision under Section 353 of the Mohammedan law, the court had held that preferential right regarding the custody of the minor children rest with the maternal grandparents after making doubtful proposition that in case of a conflict between personal law welfare of the children, the former shall prevail. The High Court that in the case at hand there is no such conflict. For the reformation, the High Court by its impunged order set aside order of Family Court Bangalore, which vacated the interim injunction issued against the appellant. It is this order of the court which is challenged before us by way of special petition, which on the grant of leave has been heard by us in the presence of the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the party, that is, it was the contention of the appellant before us that the Act apply to the present case because there is a conflict between preferential guardian in Mohammedan law and the Act. It pointed out that while deciding the custody of the minor child, the welfare of the children had to be taken into consideration, that it was guaranteed by the Act. They have placed their relay on the case of Rajasthan. The Rajasthan High Court in the cited was held that where the provision of personal law are in conflict of the provision of Guardian and Ward Act, the latter shall prevail over the former. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, Steno Star.